All right, let's try these exercises now. So I'm going to set these up so I have these two triangles are similar. And I know it doesn't say that, but they are similar if you have well, just trust me, they're similar. All right, so we've got two angles congruent to these two angles. That's one of the ways that you would prove triangles are similar. That's one of the lessons that we do not cover. I'm going to tell you that all of these triangles are going to be similar right now so that you're not wondering, are these similar? Yeah, they are. All right, so 36 over the 18. And since I did 36 over 18, I can take the 20 over the x. Notice I always go from one triangle to the other triangle. First triangle to the second triangle. All right, 36 and 18. I think 18 times 2 is 36. And so I think that 18 goes into this once, 18 goes into this twice. And if you're thinking, you might go, I bet that's 10, right? 1 to 2, 1 to 2, right? If you're not thinking, you can still kind of think and work this out. 2 times x is 2x. 20 times 1 is 20. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 10. Next question. 12 here, x here, so 12 over x. 9 to 6, 9 over 6. Simplify on this side, so let's see here. So 3 goes into both these, 3. 3 goes into this twice. So 3 to 2, 3 to 2, this is what it's going to be. Let me show you another thing that you can do. If you see this, if you're thinking and you see this, you probably noticed this before. If I see the number in the numerator and I see this number in the numerator and I go, well, I know that 3 times 4 is 12, then I know that the same thing's going to happen here, 2 times 4. So this x should equal 8. But if you go, I don't know what you're talking about, go ahead and work it out like normal. 12 times 2, 3 times x. Divide both sides by 3, and you get x equals 24 divided by 3, which is 8. So the way that this works, if I know that 3 times 4 is 12, then I can do the same thing here. Do the same multiplication here, times 4. 2 times 4 is 8, right? This pattern will be true always. But if you don't see those things, that's okay, right? You can still work it out like normal. X equals 8. All right, let's see, 4 over the 3. 3 over the x. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times x is 4x. Divide both sides by 4, and we get x equals 9/4, 2 1/4. You can leave it like this, or you can change it to a decimal if you want. Let's see here. We've got x to the 7. Those are altitudes. And then the 10 to the 8. I could have done that 10 to that 8. 7 times 10. 8 times x. Divide both sides by 8. And if you leave it as a fraction, you still have to simplify. 35 over 4, or you can change it to a decimal if you want. I'm fine with fractions. And the last two here, 42 to the x, 45 to the 30. I'm going to simplify. I know that 15 goes into both of these. 15 goes into this twice. 15 goes into this 3 times. So 42 times 2 is 84. 3 times x, 3x. Divide both sides by 3. 84 divided by 3. That might work out. Let me grab my calculator here. 84 divided by 3. Wait, turn on. Come on. 84 divided by 3. I think it'll work out. Yeah, what does that say? 28? Yeah, 28. Okay, minimize that. And the last one here, move that thing out of the way. Down a little bit lower there. There we go. All right. Last one, the 12 with the x. Since I went 12 to x, I had to go 12 to 14. Oh, well, if it's 12 here, 12 over 14, it's got to be 12 over 14. So this one's going to have to be 14. Okay. All right, so there's the exercises for that. Next, you have the second half of this lesson. The triangle angle bisector theorem is what's next. So let's watch that lesson, and then you can try some more exercises.